Hi, I'm at Barratts Shoes, flagship store here on London's Oxford Street. The store is being launched today in a revamp of what was here before, and the company is also launching an iPhone app, its first foray into mobile for retail. I'm here to meet Ken Platt, Head of E-Commerce at Barratts Shoes, and Mark Collin, Vice President UK and Europe at Infogain, the technology company behind the application, to find out why they moved into mobile and what they hope to get out of it. So, let's go and meet them. Okay, well I'm here with Ken Platt, Head of E-Commerce at Barratts Priceless Limited. So Ken, tell us a bit about your mobile strategy. What are you doing with mobile and where does it fit in with your other retailing and online strategies?
We started a strategy 2 years ago, really, a multi-channel strategy at Barratts, and as part of that strategy we always wanted to get to multiple touch points for the customer. Obviously there was some key things we had to do initially because there was a lot we had to do, so we got 7 websites up and running, we integrated click and reserve, but always on the plan was to get into mobile technology eventually. What we always wanted to do was an app from a marketing perspective, something a bit funky, something to get out there and get a toe in the water. We started speaking to Infogain about that a couple of months ago. Unfortunately for us, we had the launch of the new store, so we had a lot of backing from the board in order to do something a bit funky. So we thought it would be great to tie an app into the launch of the new store, so the opportunity arose to be able to do that. So we got speaking to Infogain, and we've launched the app. It's going to launch this week and launch with the new store, which is launched today. From there going forward, we will incorporate it into everything we do regarding promotions online, offline, and turn it transactional very shortly.
What can the consumer do with this application that you're launching today?
So what we did, we ummed and ahed and discussed it within the team what we actually wanted to do with the app. We wanted it to be something fun and exciting, but what we did, we asked our customers. So we sent an email out, and about a third of the people responded, said what would be great would be able to virtually try on their outfit with the shoes before they actually made the purchase. So we've incorporated that into what we call the changing room facility on the app. We basically have got key trends and key lines built into the application, so we can search online for mimicking the website, really, giving the same customer experience, the same assets that we use online, the same pictures and imagery. So all that is a similar experience. Which ties in really well, but the customers can then do some funky things such as add an outfit, take a picture of themselves, or an outfit that they've bought for a wedding or a party. They can then put that into the application and try different shoes on by flipping them across the bottom, which is really fun and something that our customers have asked for. On top of that, we've got something where we offer customers the opportunity to try their perfect pair or find their perfect pair. They provide us with the month of their birth, and we basically tell them what their mood stone is and offer them relevant shoes that match their mood, which is quite exciting from a lady's point of view, especially. And then if they don't like the shoes, they give it a shake, and it offers 3 more. So that's where it's going to launch on phase 1.
And how does the app fit in with your other retailing strategies, both online and in-store?
We want to be totally multi-channel. We want our customers to have all these various touch points with us and have a fantastic experience, all driven through our customer service team sitting behind it all, instrumental to all that. Going forward, we will look to use the app enables us to open up this area for us moving forward. Things like loyalty become very important to us. It opens up a whole ream of opportunities for us there. We're looking to put a loyalty scheme in place both offline and online, and using a mobile application to do that is an excellent opportunity for us moving forward, I think.
And what sort of plans have you got for using mobile as a payment device? Do you see that as something that's fitting into what you're doing in the future?
Absolutely, yeah. We will have phase 1 live hopefully this week, and then moving forward, phase 2 will be making that transactional. Currently it isn't, but next phase will definitely to make the application transactional, and introduce other things such as store locator for people on the move to find the nearest store, and also linking it into our shoe finder and click and reserve functionality. So the customers can not only purchase online but can go and pick the products up in their nearest store, again hooking into GPS, etc.
Cool. And any plans to widen it out to other devices other than just the iPhone?
Yeah, we're launching purely on the iPhone because we had a short period of time to enable us to get live with this. Infogain did a great job in that. But what we will do then once it's live is look to extend it to all of the mobile devices.
Brilliant, thank you. Moving on to the technology behind the Barratts application, which was developed and implemented by Infogain. Mark Collin, Vice President UK and Europe at the company. Talk us through the technology. What sits behind this application and how does it work?
Okay, so I guess technology is enabling some core propositions here, and for us this is about customer-centric retailing. So technology is supporting all of the things that Barratts want to achieve with their customers, and I guess moving retail organisations from more of an operational business to a very customer-focused business is really what we're trying to help with here. And there are two very clear areas for us in doing that with retailers. To launch business-to-consumer applications that sit in the customer's phone that allows the retailer to communicate and interact with their customers in real time, removes that anonymity from retail. So really kind of putting them in an always-on relationship with their customers. And similarly in store we have a mobile point of sale solution that will be launching to the UK very shortly, which brings a lot of that extension and technology into store as well.
And finally, Mark, are you seeing a rise in retailers looking to use mobile? Is mobile starting to sort of gain some traction in the retailing world?
We've been doing mobile solutions in different sectors, mainly B2C, for nearly 2 years now, and I think the initial developments were slow in that the actual handset market was the restricting factor. Now with the explosion of smartphones and much more feature-rich functionality, even on some of the lower-end phones, you know, we can do some very cool stuff and some very clever stuff with that market. So we're seeing an exponential rise both in the purchase of sophisticated handsets and therefore the ability to put applications on those devices that can really provide some really quite cool and compelling interaction with end customers. So we're seeing, you know, I guess a dramatic rise in this first quarter of the year already with applications being launched, but certainly we'll see that grow continually throughout the year, both in terms of reach and functionality that we're able to put out there for our retail customers.
Excellent. Okay, thank you very much.